How to create colourful noise like this in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Really easy, just use gradients and a brush. So the first thing to do, just go over here to Tools, select the Paintbrush tool. With that selected, then go to here and you notice I've got some gradients here. Well, I can get some gradients simply by going to Swatches and just selecting any of the gradient swatches. Now, obviously you will have different ones for me. So you've got this one selected, or maybe grayscale one. You can create some interesting grayscale noise as well, or the rainbow one to create different colourful designs. Well, I'm using this one. Well, with this, I can now go to the brushes panel and sprays and spatters and go for this one, ink spatter tilting. Double click and you can vary it. Of course, you can modify the size. So I'm going to go for initially 470, but you can vary the size. You can also change the spacing, maybe make it slightly smaller. Also dynamics. The key thing is scatter X and Y. Push that up to 640, that sort of thing. Maybe rotation 100% and go with random. And you can change these value settings and you can see it will change slightly there. Also, you can modify hue jitter and all those sort of things. But I've just got them set to nothing. And close. So with that, you got your brush. Simply then just apply. And I'm using the mouse. And you can see as you add it very quickly over the image, you get this effect. Now if I go and select a different, so go to swatches, maybe go for this one. So go for a rainbow one. Now if you haven't got a rainbow one, please check out my videos on how to create a rainbow gradient. And you can see now you get this. Or maybe go for this orange one. And you can see then apply it like that and so on. But also what you can do, I'm applying it to a single layer. You can always go to layer and new layer. Maybe select a different one. Let's just go for a colourful one like that one. And just apply that. And you can fill it like that. Then go to layers. And you can also go to effects. Click there. Go to bevel emboss and you can see then you can create a nice little bit of three-dimensional depth there. Or maybe click there and go for 3D instead. And you can vary the settings, radius, etc. Create three-dimensional noise. Also, you can always add an outer shadow as well. Change radius, offset, intensity, and so on. And you can build up multiple noise designs that way. And close. Well, I'm just going to remove that now. So I've got this. I've created this lovely colourful design. Now you could use this as a background. Maybe as an overlay. You could use it pattern designs, a whole load of different things. Now I've got an image here already. I'm just going to quickly show you. Here's the image. Or what you can do with this layer here, simply go to blend modes and go maybe for darken or multiply and so on. You can see then you can create a variety of different noise effects for your image very quickly, which you can of course merge together if you want to do that. But also, if you don't want to do that, you simply want to have it like that, normal. You can also apply effects to it. So make something like move tool selected here. You go to filters, maybe go to distort and deform. So click there, add some pins very quickly, and you can just drag and distort it to create a variety of colourful noise effects that way, and click apply. That's a great option as well. But also another option with this selected, the move tool again, simply go to layer and new pattern layer from selection. With that you can resize it, and you can see then you get some obviously slightly smaller noise. And you can go for mirror, and you can see you've got that effect. And you can of course vary that. Also go up here, change blend modes and combine that with obviously the underlying pixel layer as well. And you can create all kinds of very abstract noise that way. Just remove that. With this, you can also distort it, rotate it, apply other colours to it. You might decide, you know what, I want it to be more red. So layer, new adjustment layer, just go down there and you've got a variety of options here. Maybe go for recolor. So then you can see now, instead of that, you've got a lovely green or blue or purple and so on. Maybe change saturation, change the lightness and so on. You can see and create some interesting sort of like marble-like designs very quickly that way. And also if you want, simply merge it into that. Again, undo that and you can go back to that design. And there's many other things you can do with this noise. Now another thing, go back here, paintbrush tool. So paintbrush tool, you can see I've got the size 470, so it's quite small. So I can actually just push it up, say maybe go for 2000, or maybe not that high, doesn't matter though, say 2000 pixels, and then apply. And you can see then as you apply it, you get much chunkier noise, of course. And you can combine it, maybe go big, then go small, big again, and so on. Maybe again, across different layers is a great option. Also, again, you can go over here, blend modes, just change it, darken, and you can see results there. So swatches, just select that, maybe select a different gradient, maybe this one, and apply. And you can see then, because it's obviously black and white and grey, you get that result very quickly. Or this one, apply that, and you can create a variety of lovely paint designs, which again, you can modify by filters, all variety of effects, adding maybe other noise, deform, mirror, and so on, and blurs, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.